Capricorn would struggle with intimacy in a relationship. They're not super warm and cuddly types. They like to work and get things done. A classic Capricorn in a relationship would be a workaholic who would expect their mate to be home taking care of the domesticity while they're out working. And they tend to be very traditional, like a peck on the cheek when they come home from dinner, that sort of thing. They're a little hard to get close to, but they are incredibly reliable people. So if you're looking for emotional warmth, you do not really look to a Capricorn. But a Capricorn really wants someone else to bring the emotionality, someone who will challenge them and say, well, how are you feeling? Or get them to feel something, which it's not their nature to be all emo. It's really more about work and responsibility. So they're very challenged by intimacy, and they need a partner who's very confident in their intimacy to draw them in.